This is a DS3 DSAuto. That's an old filter, and this is now a new filter. Just gonna pop it back in. There we go. Nice and secure. Just double check. There you go. And then we're just gonna close it back up. There we go. Right now we're just tightening it back up. This side as well. That is all nice and secure. And there's the old filter. You can see where it's all cracked here as well. So, you know, this was a major issue. You can see how dirty it is. Secondly, your pollen filter or your cabin filter is right here. So all you gotta do is just tug on it. And there you go. Inside you have all your filters. And all you gotta do is feel for the latch underneath, and you just pull it forward. Hopefully you guys can see that's your filter inside right there, and all you got to do is now just take it out. Now that's out, look how dirty that is. That is just so filthy and dirty. But there is another filter that you got to take out. So there's just two. There's a big one and then there's a small one. There you go. That's the second one right there. Look how dirty that is. Phew, that is really dirty, man. Got all that gunk. Chuck that over there. We don't need that anymore. We don't need this anymore either. Wow. Look at that. It's dirty, right? It's really filthy. Chuck that there too. Here you go. You got two brand new ones. Absolutely clean. So you put the smaller one in first, right? Because you need to get the first one in, and the only way by doing that is doing the smaller one. Then you'll be able to do the big one. Also guys, make sure that you are disposing of these in the proper manner that they should be. You know, we've got to keep the environment very safe. You know, these are full of toxins, oils, debris. They're not good for health, so please do. Thank you for watching.